Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OPPO Find X8. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And then select this application and click install. Then click open and click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad and click allow and click consent. Then you can click on this button to start your VPN and click allow. Now close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.